Hello everyone. Hope all of you are doing good. So I'm just posting this video in order to show how to use Google Meet for conducting online classes or any video conferencing. Since all of us are stuck up at home due to this pandemic, we are just connected by the technology, so we should thank technology at this stage. Hope all the things will get better and we will lead a normal life as usual ahead. So, getting back, for conducting any online classes, the very first thing we need is a good internet connection with a proper bandwidth and a calm place where you don't get much noise in order to avoid interruptions during the classes or during the meeting. And if you hear any noise at my background, just bear with me and just listen to my words. Now, so I just opened a Google Chrome page here. So once after you open the Google page, you could see 9 dots here, and if you click that, you can see a Google Meet icon. You can either click that or you can simply type meet.google.com here. It's up to your wish. So I've typed it and I'll just go in. After getting into Google Meet, you have two options here, either to start a meeting or enter meeting code and join. If you are the host and you're conducting the meeting, you're supposed to start a meeting. And if you want to enter into someone's meeting with the code given by them, you can enter the code and you can join with them. Yes. And can you see something here? Schedule a meeting from Google Calendar. We can use this icon if you're making a prior intimation to the students or to the people who you wish to join in the meeting. So say for example today is June 10, and if I want the meeting to be hosted on June 11 between 9 to 10 or 11 to 12, it's up to your wish. You can change the timing here and you can see the meet ID, and I'm just logging in with my own ID, so I'm restricted up to 100 participants. And if you're having your institution ID, official ID, you can have access up to 250 participants or 500 participants, depends on the access you are getting. And the notification here, if I'm priorly making the arrangements for a Google Meet, my ID is already created there, and on the day of meeting, if I want a notification 30 minutes before or 20 minutes before or 10 minutes before, up to our wish, we can make the changes, because it's nature that we'll forget the meeting. Since it is online, it is nature. So you can make the prior notification here, and you can add any description you want regarding the meeting. And the first thing, you have to add a title. Say for example, tomorrow I'm going to host a math class. I'll just type math class, and I'm going to conduct it on June 11 between 9 to 10. And Google Meet ID is created here, and I don't want any description right now. And if you want to attach anything, say for example during the meeting, if you want to show your people any attached files, say for example any assignment sheets or any notes you want to give, you can add it here, and during the meeting you can open it. Now all I need to is to save. So once after you saved it, you can see here I've planned the class on June 11 between 9 to 10. I've already planned some classes between 10:30 to 11:30, so it is just showing here. So if you click this, you can join with Google Meet. So you have the ID here. So I'm just getting into the meeting now. I don't want the camera now, so I'll just switch it off at the stage. And if you are a host, you want to present your face on the screen, you can make it on. At this stage I don't want, so I just make it off. And so right now I'm the only person who is in the meeting. If I send the ID to my students or my friends who are wants to join in the class, I can they can join. And now you have two options here. One is present and join. Anyway, I'm going to present something here, but still I want to join first. So I have joined here. Yes. Now, so this is the people, number of people who were in the meeting. So I am the only person who is in the meet. So it shows here. And this chat box is used to chat with people. Say, for example, if they have any doubt, they can post or they can type it here and post it, and you can see, you can respond them later if you want. And do you see a different icon here? I'll just get back to this later. Now I'm into the meeting now. I'm just hosting the meeting. And can you see turn on captions here? Sometimes it is better to turn on captions because there may be some people who cannot follow us while talking, and due to some language problem, and they can simply read the content which is being typed whenever I talk. So can you see? So it is simply typing whatever I'm talking here. Yes. So you can turn off captions if you don't want that to be on. So I'll just turn off now. Presently I don't want. And you have the present now option here. So once if you click it, you have an option to present your entire screen or any particular window you wish to, or a Chrome tab alone. So I want to present my entire screen, so I'll just press entire screen and click this share. So now I am presenting my whole screen here. So whatever I want to present, I've already minimized the things which I want to present here, because during the class or during the meeting, you cannot, I mean, you need not go and search for it. So I've already opened. So I have a presentation to be opened at this stage. So I'm just opening my presentation. Yes, it is getting open. Yes. So you can maximize it. So you can start from the beginning or from wherever you want, you can start presenting. So this screen will be shared to your students if you're making the presentation. So I can go with the presentations, and I can just point them out using my mouse or cursor. So I can run the presentation, and this is one option that we have during online class. If I don't want to present the slides, I want to share any files here. I'll just open up my file, and I can so again I'm having some bandwidth problem right now, I guess. So make sure that you don't have it. Sorry. Yeah. Here it is. Yes. So you can show the PDF file whichever you want to share. So you can show them whatever you want to, and you can highlight the contents whichever you want to show them. So this is one way of presenting. So once after you've finished presenting, you can click on stop presenting. Yes, so I've stopped my presentation. Nothing is visible on the screen right now. Not only this, you can even make use of whiteboard or green board during a presentation, because if you are a teacher who is teaching mathematics subject, you have to work out something on the board. At the time you can make use of a whiteboard or green board, provided you have positioned your camera of whether your laptop camera or if you're using mobile device, position it properly so that without any interruption student can view. Also you can make use of paper and pen. You can take up an A4 sheet and use a marker or sketch pen for working out any problems, and you can show it to the students. Possibly those two things, that is using a board and paper, I'll post it in my next video. And I think I also told you something about this icon earlier. This is nothing but Meet attendance, Google Meet attendance, which stores the people data whoever attended the meeting. And this part also I'll post it in the next video. Now I'll just stop with this. Hope this video might help you somehow to learn the basic concepts of Google Meet. Thanks for watching. Thank you.